At Crutchfield, we offer a ton of high-performance car speakers at price tags that make them accessible to just about anyone. And Pioneer's latest A-Series car speakers epitomize this spectacular value. They offer much of what high-end audio enthusiasts are looking for without the high-end price tag you'd expect. Now, there are three lines within the A-Series: A, A+, and Max. In this video, we'll just take a look at the Plus and Max lines, their better and best iterations. Here's what makes them so special. First, the woofers. A-Series woofers play really solid mid-bass by hitting the sweet spot between stiffness, which reduces distortion by limiting unwanted cone flexing, and lightweight. Lighter cones respond quickly to the musical signal you're feeding them for accuracy. Plus woofers are made from injection-molded polypropylene, a woofer standard because of its lightweight and durability. Pioneer reinforces these cones with a blend of mica and carbon fibers for rigidity and excellent bass response. Max woofers step it up by reinforcing the polypropylene cones with a blend of aramid and mica fibers for even more strength and excellent resistance to the kind of heat they experience in a car. That means they're not only accurate, they'll play a long, long time. Pioneer also went with top-notch surrounds, rubber for the Plus, and extra strong elastic polymer for the Max. They're both designed to provide the long excursion necessary for big bass hits, while keeping cone movement nice and linear for musical accuracy. A-Series speakers are also really efficient, so they'll sound good if you drive them with a factory stereo. But they'll handle tons of power from an external amp if you want to maximize their potential. Across the A-Series, you'll find soft polyetheramide dome tweeters, which produce smooth, mellow highs and disperse them widely, which is great for off-axis listening. And it's essential in the car, where speaker placement can make it hard to aim them directly at your ears. The Plus tweeters all play at least up to 33,000 Hz, while the Max can go all the way up to 49,000 Hz. This makes them a nice match for high-res rated gear like stereos and amplifiers. Such a high-frequency response also provides lots of sonic headroom. With the upper figure for the A-Series being so high, you'll hear every last detail clearly with no natural roll-off, and get a nice high soundstage that helps overcome challenges like wind, road, and traffic noise. Max speakers come in two-way and two- and three-way component configurations. Plus, meanwhile, come in two-way components and offer some fun variety in the all-in-one category, including 3, 4, and 5 ways. The 5 ways, for example, feature a woofer, a mid-range, a tweeter, and 2 super tweeters. They're excellent for improving the soundstage and stereo imaging in vehicles that don't offer good places to mount separate tweeters. So if you're planning to make a big upgrade in your car's sound and are looking for a great value, I'd say Pioneer's A-Series fit the bill perfectly. With their spectacular performance and entirely reasonable price tag, they're going to turn a lot of people into very happy drivers. Enter your vehicle's information into our Find What Fits Your Vehicle tool to find out if these fantastic speakers will work in your car. Thank you for watching.